you know,
Really?
so some women just get it for, you know, right at the get-go. Be grateful you don't have it. That's horrible. Deep breath. Yeah. Nice. Deep breath. Nice. I thought it was 2 weeks. I was like, where is she?